Are you seeing the Instagram instance problem and don't know how to fix it? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to remove Instagram instance issue on your phone. So watch till the end and follow each step carefully. Go to Apps or App Management, find and tap on Instagram. Now tap on Storage Usage, then click Clear Cache. Enable all permission. Update your Instagram apps to the latest version. Then uninstall and install your Instagram apps. Now reboot your phone and open Instagram account. That's it. This is how you can easily remove the Instagram instance problem.